Aliu Shoaib Idris owns this cosmetic shop in Jos. He has for years been traveling to the US as well as countries in Europe to import products. But he says his focus going forward will be less on America.
Honestly, I feel very, very bad concerning this US visa ban. I myself, I start thinking otherwise because I know in other countries like China, UK, France, they like us. They have been inviting us. China is even helping us because China will even produce quality of that US product.
The US has for many years been a destination for importation of various products into Nigeria and other African nations. It has also been a dream nation for young people to study, work and send money back to their countries for investments.
Trump is doing all of this because he's more of a conservative president. Of course, the party is also very conservative. And like he has said, it's America first. That is the direction that his government is facing. If you count the number of foreign medical personnel in the US, whether doctors, nurses, pharmacists, 1 out of every 4 of them are Nigerians. Talking about 25% of foreign healthcare workers span from Nigeria. And these guys, this is just one sector, talking about the health sector. You still have this in several other sectors.
But many business owners like Ali Shoaib say a travel ban restricting nationals from countries such as Nigeria by the US is forcing them to consider business opportunities elsewhere. In December, the Trump-led government added Nigeria to 14 other countries it has restricted visa entries for, describing them as a threat to US national security and safety. And that could have economic implications. According to Nigeria's Bureau of Statistics, total capital importation for the third quarter of 2024 from the US into Nigeria stood at $164 million. Economic analysts project that there will be a decline in the figure in the coming years with the visa travel ban. They want Nigeria to address issues of insecurity to ensure it is removed from the travel ban by the US.
If we had our acts together, we would not be looking out to some of these developed countries like 70, 80, 90% of our dependence on them. We would actually be looking at fellow Nigerian countries or diversify to other nations.
The government says it is doing all it can, such as partnering with the US to eliminate terrorists from the country to make it safe. The US on Christmas Day launched strikes on suspected insurgents in Nigeria's northwest state of Sokoto, with the Nigerian government saying it was a joint operation between both countries. Business owners like Ali Shoaib Idris say they look forward to when that happens and for the travel ban to be lifted. For now, they say they will be seeking partnerships in countries with friendlier visa policies to enable them to do business. Tassim Akende, CGTN Jos, Nigeria.